How to sign in Fishdom with Facebook. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to sign in Fishdom with Facebook. Signing in Fishdom with Facebook is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Fishdom app. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Settings. Look for the setting icon usually located in the top right or left corner of the main menu of the game. Connect to Facebook. In the setting menu, you should see an option like Connect to Facebook or Login with Facebook. Log into Facebook. Tap the option and pop-up window will appear asking for your Facebook credential. Grant permission. If prompt, allow Fishdom to access your Facebook account. Confirmation. Once successfully connected, your progress will be synced with your Facebook account. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can sign in Fishdom with Facebook. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.